Ethylene is the world's most used organic chemical. You can use ethylene to make jet fuel, textiles, flooring, PVC, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, glues, packaging, bottles, important everyday products. It's a $180 billion market every year. Right now, we derive all of the world's ethylene through a process called steam cracking. Steam cracking takes fossil resources and heats them up like crazy, and that heating process cracks those fossil resources down into ethylene. That steam cracker every year produces 250 million tons of CO2 in direct emissions, and because it's ran on fossil fuel as well, it dumps another 500 million tons into the environment every year at the same time. So this is why we had to stop making ethylene that way.
At Dioxycle, we create breakthrough technologies to make sustainable chemicals at sustainable costs. So the core of our technology is a novel carbon electrolyzer that is capable of taking carbon emissions and water and electricity to convert these emissions into chemicals such as ethylene. We are recreating a carbon cycle just like photosynthesis is doing with plants. Plants are capable of grabbing that CO2 in the air and converting it into basically metabolic fuels like sugars and organic matter. And so we are doing the same thing, but really industrializing it to target specific products that otherwise would be made through cracking of fossil resources.
So rather than starting from carbon trapped underground that's going to add more CO2 to the atmosphere, we're starting from the emissions we currently have, and we're building up the everyday chemicals that are essential for making our society work.
So far, what we have done in terms of scale-up is go from like a post-STEM scale to an actual in-house medium-scale demonstrator, like the size of a big suitcase.
So we were originally in the Breakthrough Energy Fellows program, and the Fellows program was instrumental in allowing us to go from thinking like scientists to thinking like entrepreneurs. Now we have backing from Breakthrough Energy Ventures. The venture program is allowing us to take that operated pilot to our large industrial pilot, which is key for getting this technology off the ground.
David is a really innovative mind, a really creative person, and is very positive person. I'm very pragmatic. I'm just like getting the slack all the time and making sure we are just focused.
Having those two things grow in tandem together is key for how rapidly we've been able to accelerate, get the technology off the ground, and I believe it's going to be key for all of the other milestones we want to reach in the future as well.